Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so your position can be improved right away. Enable device location and set high accuracy. This uses GPS plus Wi-Fi and cell data. Calibrate the compass with a figure 8 motion. Do it until the sensor stabilizes, because an uncalibrated compass skews your bearing. Once done, close heavy background apps and re-enable Wi-Fi. That helps Google Maps use assisted location and speeds up satellite lock. Now you'll perform the deeper actions that actually resolve persistent drift. Clear Google Maps cache and app data to remove corrupted settings. Restart the app so fresh configuration loads. Next, force a GPS resync by toggling airplane mode briefly. This resets satellite links. Open Maps, tap the blue dot to recenter, and watch the labeled accuracy circle. A smaller radius means better fix. If needed, use a GPS status app to verify satellite count and dilution of precision. Finish by making fixes that stick and know a quick fallback if things fail. Update both the OS and Google Maps so you have recent location improvements, and confirm OEM permissions allow background location. This prevents intermittent drops. For best signals, step outdoors with a clear sky for 30 to 60 seconds so the device gets a stable satellite lock. If accuracy remains poor, toggle location permissions, uninstall and reinstall maps. That often clears hidden fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.